How's the Wi-Fi looking? Are we coping? Kind of. Let's see. Excuse you. Done. You know what I forgot to do again? I'm really bad with this multi-chat. I need to be better. I just need to be better. Okay, so it was not a good morning. Was not a good morning. Had a couple of L's this morning. 2 if we're gonna be super precise. Come. Stop it. Are we working? Hey, I'm kind of impressed. Also kind of concerned. Why are you awake? Like, go to sleep. Just go to sleep. Okay. Is it connected? Okay, now it's connected. Now we're good. Now we're good. Now I trust it. Now I trust it. Before I was not trusting it, but now we're good to go. Okay. Figure that out. It's so easy to see moves. once you can see into the future and you know what it's gonna do. See, I'm just looking, going, oh, look at that. Went down beautifully. Oh, look at that. Same thing. No, you could get 5-ish hours of sleep. Just saying, you know, do what you will with that information. But there is then an extra 5 hours of sleep. Just saying. Like I said, you do you. Liquidity, some liquidity. All these swings, damn, okay. All these little swings going on around here. Let's see what today brings now. Well, today, this afternoon. Let's see what this afternoon brings. Oh, only true trader. I'm kind of jealous. I could do with a nap. But it is Friday. And that means it is my proper cheat day with regards to like sweeties and things. I think I'm gonna go buy a cake. just for fun. Okay, there we go. Have to cross my legs. Let's get comfy. Just stopped in for a little bit to say, hey, taking a break from trading for a few days. Oh, some guy? Why? What happened? Just got what you wanted, so you're gonna tap out for a little bit, or what? Is everything okay, some guy? Hey, Cayman, what's up? Looks like it's coiling a little bit. I mean, we have a little bit of time before opening. Hey, Daddy J. None. Sorry. You seem to have come for my 2 red days. Which is, well, I say like I've only had 2 red days. Last week was good. This week, yeah, it's break even. Yeah, I would say this week so far is break even now. Aw, Alan, thank you so much from Denmark. That's so cool. Thanks, David. Challenge. Trade with me? Yeah. Trading a challenge. And that big day Monday, that break even Tuesday, Wednesday, trying to force trade. Ooh. It's best to just take a break and have a reset. I mean, some guy, yeah, I agree. I think that's a really good plan. I mean, you had such an awesome win. Let yourself be proud of yourself instead of being upset with yourself, right? Hey, Nathan, how do I learn this? Or how did I learn this? I learned this from I learned the basics from the friend. I'm still learning. I'm still figuring things out. Hey John, how you doing? How you doing? Lenny, hi, what's up? And Vishal, welcome back, Vishal. How you doing? Exactly why I have a day job. Do just enough hours to cover my bills and stuff, so it gives me the freedom to not feel pressure to be all over the charts when things don't go well. Ooh, some guy, that makes sense. Oh no. That's okay. It's okay if I turn. Ah, John, I did not make money. I lost money. Yeah, it was not great. It was not great. The one was in gold. It was choppy, and I took a trade. So that was me. That was on me. The other one, I thought it was gonna go to a higher level before it dropped down, so I went in for a buy, expecting it to pop up a little bit higher. It did not. Any recommendations on how to learn? Oh, I mean, listen, there's so many videos out there, it's actually a little bit overwhelming, so that's a good question. Guys, any recommendation videos for Nathan? Hey, Monster Marv. Jordy is not here, Michelle. It's me, Ginger. You're a new member. Well, welcome. Welcome, welcome. Happy birthday. It's not my birthday, sorry. Yeah, some guy, it wasn't great. Like I said, they were both my fault. They were both my fault. I acknowledge that. The one, like I said, I traded in chop. That's on me. I don't know why I did that. The second one was, like I said, I thought it was going to go to a different level and there was a little bit of FOMO going on there, so both of them was just lack of discipline, which is bad, right? We need to focus on the discipline. Sorry, I have hiccups again. This is really frustrating, but I need to just really be focused on the discipline. Hey, Joe Martin. No. Joe Maritongle. I feel like I butchered that. How you doing? Hey, Trozen. How you? Michelle, can I recommend you a tattoo? Ah, not really. Sorry. I think tattoos are very much personal. All of mine, at least, are personal. I know some people get whatever they want just because they can, and, you know, no judgment, you do you, but all of mine have at least some form of meaning to them. Hey, Lifecraft, how are you? How's it going? Silver will be fun on Monday. Ooh, why do you say that, Alan? Oh, Dark Angel, happy Friday. How are you? Ian, what up? Some guy, do you know what's frustrating? I don't have hiccups any other time. Well, I say any other time, but in general, I don't have hiccups any other time except for on the stream. Ooh, Jean. Okay, there we go. Really changed the way I view the market. I'm gonna have a look, hopefully on Sunday. Sunday's supposed to be a bit of a rainy day. So I plan to sit down and do a little bit of backtesting and watching videos and just recuperating the brain, if you will. You know, reinforcing some things. I feel like there's some things I really need to reinforce. I've been a little bit lax on, which is bad. Bad. And there was another point I had. I forgot, but yes. Sunday, let me go and watch all of these. It's a 3-hour video. Damn. What I mean, you know what? 3 hours if it's informative. Good. Did I have dinner? No. It's gonna go up and down. New tax on it. Ooh, okay, Alan. I play Fortnite. No, I don't, sorry. Livecraft, I didn't watch it last night. Again, as you can see, the Wi-Fi was being a pain in the butt. So, I couldn't stream because I knew it was gonna drive me crazy if I went and tried to stream it, and it was just like stopping and going. But I'm not gonna say anything in case I scare it. But things seem to be running smoothly right now, if you catch what I'm trying to say. Cool. Can you tell me why there's a blue crown in your name? No, sorry, Michelle. What's up? David, first off, he explains, then he does live training. Oh, okay, John. Yeah, then that's cool. You're still crazy early in your trading career. This is the hardest part. You'll get there. Thanks, some guy. And some days, I think the frustrating thing is I feel like I get it for 2 or 3 days. 3 days is pushing it. Let's say I get it for 2 days, and then it's almost like my brain gets tired and it goes, yeah, it's just carry on. It's hard work. No, I say no one. People always mention the psychological part of trading, but you know, as a new trader, I didn't take them seriously. I was like, ugh, whatever. Now, oh my gosh. So speaking of, I might go grab myself some water, as I have not had any water today, which is bad. So I might quickly run off. I know, Alan, I'm trying really hard. Often it takes you to pass the challenge. Trade with me. So trade with me. You're new here, I'm assuming, yes? Yes. So I'm still new. I started trading in April. I am not yet profitable. I haven't passed an eval yet. I'm here to be very open and honest about everything and the whole experience. I definitely still make mistakes. My strategy definitely still needs some work. I know my strategy annoys some people like it, some people hate it. You know, is it perfect? No. It does need some tweaking, which hopefully I'll be able to do this weekend. But yeah, point is, this is just a very open, honest stream with regards to me figuring things out. Hey, Remnant, some guy have I eaten? If I go and run and see if there's any food in the fridge. I did! Oh, I did! I had some leftover rice this morning before I went on my run. Boom. I just come here to see random behavior. I mean, that's valid, Michelle. I get it. Did you... Jean, what's painful? Aw, thank you, trade with me. Yeah, rice. Yes, rice. Ah, thank you, Leonardo. I appreciate that. Gold and silver as my job. Ooh. Alan, that's quite cool. Learning to trade. Oh, yeah. Yeah. And that's why I can very wholeheartedly believe that, what is it, 85% of traders aren't successful? Something like that. It's a really high percentage. I can really believe it for a number of reasons. I think it does take... There's some people that just get it and it doesn't take years. You guys are cool and lucky, and one day I'll be as cool as you guys. But for us mere mortals, I do feel like it is a proper process. Has it even opened yet? No, it's opening in a minute. Cool. Should maybe focus on that. For us mere mortals, I feel like it does take lots of years and learning and practice and trading and money and. So for a lot of people, they're not willing to put that time and effort in, then yes, they're going to stop before they're profitable. So it makes sense why. Falling what? Don't need to trade. Aussie. I'm not in. Really? Huh. I sound like an Australian when I say no. Out of curiosity, why do I wear a hairband? It keeps my hair contained, kind of. No. Is it 98%? What? No ways. Oh wait, focus. Okay, here we go. A little bit of a dippy. Okay, here's opening. Oh, what news is at 10? What do I think of the orb system? I've heard it works really well if you know how to execute it correctly. And then obviously people have their different preferences if it's the 5 or the 15-minute orb, or some people mark out the 5 and then only execute on the 15-minute. I think it depends on who you are as a person. I've had this discussion many a time with many a person with regards to the fact that technically every strategy is successful. It just depends on how you execute it. Trust me, I look in the mirror every day. Some guy, I disagree. I think it's super cool to be a pure nerd chart monkey. I think it's awesome. Be as cool as me if you just see everything. Try to grab it. Aw, thank you. So I'm assuming you also South African? Calling Christchurch Helper, yes. Bit of a mouthful, but yeah. I'm gonna mark this out of curiosity. I know Geordie said not the first one, but I'm doing it. Because I'm curious and I'm kind of, I don't want to say I'm forward testing something, but it's good to take note of this. Oh, thanks, Alan. Very close. Yo, I'm turning 27. Not a hair, man. It's a... And did she cut her ear off in a freaking trading accident? Some guy, that's amazing. I'm gonna start telling people that. Yeah, I lost it, and when I did this, I don't know, ripped my ear off, apparently. Is my hair naturally brown? Yep, Rochelle, naturally brown. This is its natural color. Even these little random, I don't know if you can see, I don't know if you can call it blonde highlights. It's just lighter brown highlights. Oh, that's pretty natural. Did you catch the V? Joe Short? No, I didn't. I'm checking something here. Joe, I'm assuming you in something, right? Did you catch it? Silencio trades. Let's see if we can buy it. 942 again. Okay. Okay, I don't know. Pretty good to build stats. Hey Blake, your 4th account. Well done, that's amazing. Whoop whoop, by the way. Damn, I'm young. Did I fib the gap? No. I did not fib the gap. So you're John, are you in a short? Awesome, I see. I'm almost still a kid. 369 Zeusy, what? Silico Trades, what's that? Oh, thank you. But most people are in denial. I have, yeah, I do agree. I do think the bear market has begun. Which I know is a bit controversial, but yes. Look up the V&W stock trading. Okay, Joe. We'll see. Like I said, this is the note that I'm gonna try go through this weekend. That deep breath was me nervous because there's a lot to go through. Hey Mohammed, what's up? Two for 800. What? I mean, that's not, wait. Dayama. At this old New York low. Okay, John. Okay, John. Okay. Wow. NG, that was terrible. And then look at your chart and you'll see it. Key level approaching. 1 minute. This is the 1 minute chart. My share, my job. Yep. No, I'm actually, well, I'm average height. I'm average height. I'm 164 centimeters. Yeah, I'm actually pretty average with regards to height. Thank heavens. You also think only trying to be perfect. Okay, that was what? Who's just in? I'm so confused. What's happening? Anyways, watch me hit it, John. I can't believe you. Ooh, checky. Okay, let me wait for this close, and I'm gonna mark this fair value gap as well. Geordie's not here. I don't know where Geordie is. Maybe Geordie's busy today, and that's fine. He would be proud. I think he'll be proud. Trying to take these levels a bit more seriously. This kind of looks like it's just going to keep dropping. Whoa. So out of curiosity, if I'd done this trade, this would have been so good. And if I left a runner, unfortunately, it was a little bit early. I needed some more confirmation that we were headed down. Hey, Geordie. Ah, there you are. I was just saying, hello. Which script? I have a script. First candle used for the gap. Such a rebel. I know. But, check. Okay, Geordie, my question is, right? So you said the first fair value gap, not the first one on opening, but I still marked it. So then my question is... Okay. Is this all still considered a freaking fair value gap? Or are we only going to focus on the first, like the very, very first one candle? Some guy, oh. I'm so sorry. Yeah, sorry, some guy. Yeah, this is why Boom yelled. You say only two trader. Oh, what? I didn't break anything! What did I break? Oh. Apart from that one, but still. Oh, seriously, Alan? What? Oh, damn, I would be there and I'll be short. Got it. Which coin? Nah, that's a bad loss. John, halfway there, yep. Oh no, Joe Short, I'm so sorry. I'm not ignoring. Wow. Just wow. 1 minute time frame because it's the smallest one. Okay, so then it would be just this. Noted. Got it. Cool. Also, holy guacamole, is it even going to go back there? Okay, taking out liquidity both on ES and NQ now. Are we going to have this bit of a retracement back up? I was not expecting it to run off like this. Who was it? Someone this morning said NQ's going to... Boom! Said NQ's going to be bank today. Joe Short, do you think buy now? Nordic times before. Let's see. Dang. Okay. What the heck? Only true trader, yeah, that's what I was thinking, but that's why I specifically asked Geordie with regards to the 1 minute, because he was the one that mentioned the 1 minute time frame. So yeah, I know probably on a higher time frame, like you said, it would be just one fair value gap. It's sometimes logical to group the gaps together when they're consecutively forming. Which good if you wanna measure it out. Okay. So we could just do this, right? Just Do both. Nope. Wrong thing. You absolute melon. So basically above my 50% side would be in premium. Come again? Sorry, did you guys just read what Alan said? What? How much came up to you? Raven. 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 I need a minute from that. That was like, wow. Joe Short, sorry, this is MNQ. This is the Nasdaq futures. You're in at 24,929. For a buy? Silico trades? You're in a buy? Or a short? Yep. And not actually the figure I think I from the first presented. No, don't. No! No, David! No! I spoke too soon. I spoke too soon. Yep, it's lagging. I'm so sorry. Exactly my point, which would be the upper half of the larger value. Yep. Oh, Silico, but that's fine. That's still good. Well done. Joe Shorten, here we go. I'm so sorry. Yep. Joe Short, told you. Yep. Gap Master sounds like a fitting title. Ooh, too bad I guess. Personally, I know what they are, but don't bother integrating them into my trading. Yeah, some people just do it. Maya's internet being a goober. I love that. Yes, yes it is. It's being a class A pain in my butt. Bit of a retracement now. The problem is this is just a tad, a wee bit too large. Like maybe I could have one contract. Oh, short. You did this for fun. Nice. And the point is they both work, right? It's just whatever makes logical sense to you, and for everyone it's a little bit different. Okay, I'm kind of watching because I'm curious to see how it interacts with these fair value gaps again. And yeah, let's see. Hey Calvin, I'm trading the Nasdaq futures. Apple butter! Apple butter jeans, how you doing, apple butter? How's it been going? Alan, I do not have a husband. So, no. Mock? Hey Mock, what's up? And Khalees, how are you? Slowly going up, so tapped into this fair value gap. Now I want to see my knee. I just need my desk. Ow. Owie. Okay. Ow. Okay, moving on. Yeah, I do. What's else success in trading? Yeah, you good? Fantastic. The very first one is my mitigated already. The second you marked is stronger to push price down. At least yes, I trade live. I'm lagging. Extract money out of the damn candles though. Yep. Okay. Let me start. Plus. Trying to slowly dig out of hole. Ah, apple butter, don't worry. I dug myself into a hole this morning, so that's great. So a short win. Whoop whoop. That's amazing. Markets are so bearish lately, hoping this Q4 gets more positive. Ew, Kelvin, let's see. I'm not convinced. He's been through the pain and struggle of loss. Market deserves respect. Wrong way. It's all about understanding it and taking a trade logical reason with risk management. At least it is. It is. I tried to fix it now. Guys, let's see. If it continues to be a pain in the butt. Huh. Still kind of respected it. I thought it would climb a little bit higher. Maybe not. Maybe. Maybe not. Maybe. Not. That's not good, Geordie. What? Good risk management is probably the only thing all profitable traders have in common. I like that. But game 2, yeah, I do game, but I don't stream it. Sorry, Alan. Sidelines for the rest of the week. Maybe some of next week as well. And the drop. How many hours do I spend on trading? Came in by around 4 hours a day. Ah, there we go. Okay. Okay, Wi-Fi should be a little bit better. I was about to say, if it just continues its rubbish, maybe it's just a sign, and today we just end early and I just go hop on Discord. Trading isn't good for a bad time. No. So short, don't get scared. How high up do you think this is going to be going, guys? Is it wanting to properly mitigate this gap? Correct, and bearish ones get. Why people are trying to talk down on how others trade and makes money at work. What do I play? Well, I play Hogwarts Legacy. Whoa. Whoa. Okay. So anyways, I play Hogwarts Legacy. I played a little bit of Battlefield. I'm not great at that. I'm not great at shooting games. On the Xbox, I played Teen's Tiny Wonderland. Again, not great at it because it's a shooting game, but I'm also not great at Xbox. I'm better at PC. I play some detective games as well here and there. Yeah. Sean, yep. I don't stress. I'm watching all of this play out. Put it into, and the premium one get used as. Typically. Okay. So I'm really curious to watch, because if I can start to see how it respects these fair value gaps properly, I can start to make some better judgment calls and risk management. I mean, it is respecting this to a degree. To a degree. Price wants to full orders, yep. That was a big sell-off. Joe, yes, it was. Silko, you're in the longs again, really? Let me check the 5 minute. No, Wi-Fi. Cheers, some guy. Enjoy. I haven't looked at that live graph, sorry. Rambo, what's up? And Daddy Stocks, what up? How are you? Damn. Yo, this fair value gap here is hectic. Whoa. Oh, sorry. Oh, thank you. No. Oh, that's what. Okay, guys, give me 2 seconds. I'm gonna get some water. because I feel like I need some water. Give me 2 seconds. When I come back, let's see. I still want to see what it does and how it respects this fair value gap. Okay, maybe when I come back, there's some chaos going on. Give me a minute. Yeah, sorry. Whoopsie. Okay, guys. Only 2 trader. I missed something. Only 2 trader. Okay. You still want to see? Wait. Why do you guys still want to see longs? I'm being this person today. I got chocolate. You gotta have some chocolate. I should start playing this. Why don't you? Out of curiosity. I'm trying not to have too much coffee at night before I go to bed because it's problematic for me. But chocolate good. Maybe I shouldn't eat while streaming because I'm not one of those people that can somehow magically talk and chew at the same time that some people do, and it's really weird. Anyways. You want to see longs to the 4-hour fair value gaps that didn't get traded in me. I say I want to go short. That makes sense. Hey Celestial, what's up? Chocolate. Ooh, apple butter, listen. It's so good. I'm watching this. I'm not going to take it because, like I said, I'm watching how it respects this fair value gap. Is it going to respect the fair value gap? You know, all those fun things that I ask myself. Yep. Oh. Well, Joe Short, have you made it up? Do you have enough to maybe just get a prop firm started? So, what would you need? Like $70, give or take? Gold. Okay, Livecraft. Let's see when I need a closer look to be able to find the uptrend. If you can't chew and talk, then Wall Street isn't for you. I just think chewing and talking is rude. Yeah. It's why I also eat super slow. Super slow. I hate going out to restaurants with people because by the time they've finished, I've only like finished half of my food and then everyone sits there staring at me, which makes me eat slow. It's a problem. You know, it's just, I'm a problem. It's fine. Ice cream forever? What's giving you anxiety? This chart? Me eating? Me drinking water? All of it I get because they're all weird. Oh, right. So short, if you had like a look at more swing trade type setups where, well, I mean, you could think of the investing, but you know, if we look at just the higher time frames and take it and leave it and go from there. Oh, Celestial, did you? Well done. I did not catch the short, no. I'm looking at this. I'm really wanting to see how it reacts to these fair value gaps that Geordie showed me. I'm wanting to see if there is something there. Obviously, you know, I understand that it won't be 100% accurate all the time. Let's go, well done. Did I see the W? Wait. Oh, the W here? Is this the W you're referring to right now? The problem is sometimes I think I see them and then it's not a W. And sometimes I think it's a W and then it's actually an M forming, you know. Are those what you're referring to? Company might be a good move. I mean, gold and silver coming back up. Yes. Right. I believe the muddy puddles. Any fair value gap that is important is 935. Yeah, it's the one I've marked here. That's why I'm wanting to see how it reacts, but I wanted to see a time frame fair value gap as well. And I'm disappointed in the lack of creeps. Oh, David! Why? Why did you have to say that? Why would you do that? Why would you do that? W means, wow, I lost all my money. Orange sunrise? No, it does not. A lot of the time, W means winning. It's the L's you gotta be careful of. Candlesticks, because candlesticks also tell price direction using 1 minute. All the time. Okay. My 942 bought again. Yeah. Okay, so it tapped into it, but like I said, I really want to see how it reacts off of it. And Wi-Fi is bugging out. Really? So up, respect it. Is it going to respect it properly down? Because then this could be my proper entry and I can make my setup look more like this, which makes that a 6R trade. That feels a bit greedy. Let's make this a 3R and see how it goes. Oh, damn. Oh, what's the news? That's what happened. Yeah, okay, news is in a minute. The creeps run up the elbow. I mean, Celestial, yeah, I guess. The creeps make me laugh, apple butter. I swear half of you come here just for the creeps, because it's funny. $9.50 immediate. It's a strong signature. Strong signature for what? Like... no point analyzing action on micro scale. It's like chaos theory in physics. That's... oh! Damn. Damn. Oh, okay then. That would have been a 3R trade right there. In like what? 2 minutes? 3 minutes? Let's see if it reaches all the way down, where this is nearly a 7R freaking trade. Sorry, David. I'm sorry. Samantha, I see there was some news, or was it the lag? It could be both. If it continues to lag too much, it might just be the sign. Yep. Like more click connects on the like or dislikes. Interesting. Dirty stocks. Wait, the 10 a.m. open. Was that news? I think so, Apple Butter. I think so. That's frustrating. That's frustrating. Yeah, well. My best 100% rate strat is go to teach Myers. I have to take the opposite of wow. Celestial, look at you being funny guy. Not joking, that was pretty good. Yeah, not always wrong. Just saying, not always wrong. How's it work? Sorry to interrupt your money making wizardry. I think so, yeah. Calling Christchurch, I'm not actually 100% sure. You already closed your alarms? Makes sense. Market rent. Ice Cream Forever. This week has been more of a break-even week. Previous week was a green week. Yeah. But this week is now a bit of more of a break-even week, unfortunately. Had some green days. Unfortunately had 2 red days. Yeah, Geordie, I was even saying, can you imagine if this was my entry? Popped it at the bottom of this fair value gap. Obviously gave it some breathing room. This right here is a nearly 7-hour strategy. Or 7-hour trade. And I got the confluence of it being in premium and the fair value gap. Wow. I should really have a look at this. No, Thomas, that's not good. Is it tummy bug or did you have a little bit too much fun, Thomas? I'm joking. I'm messing with you. I hope you feel better. Oh, thanks for the new subscriber. Burst my mind. There we go. Like spamming the buttons runs the algorithm and makes it more seen, isn't it? Ah, I think so. I'm actually not too sure. Yeah, only 2 trader. It was insanity. I think this is what I'm gonna be sitting down and freaking backtesting hectically, because if I can start to get more of these, I mean, like I said, let's make this a 7-hour. Nah, that feels greedy. Let's just make it a 6. Where's 6? 6. 6-hour strat, right there. Okay, orange sunrise. Sticks around the dominant tail being on the bottom, meaning uptrend. Oh, you're right. My bad. My bad. My bad. I'm sorry, David. I'm sorry. I should have mentioned that. Aw. Silencio trade. Thank you. Geordie. Yeah, because Geordie's also not feeling 100%. You can find a trade on any fraction less than 1 million. Oh, thanks, Celestia. Yeah, let's see. Like I said, if I can get this, if I can nail this down, you guys might only see me for like a few minutes and then I'll be like, hey, I'm out, because if I can just nail down a 6-hour trade, that would be all I need to do. Just need the correct bias for the day, right? Joshua, you're helping? I'm confused. I feel like I've missed something. Again, guys, I apologize if I missed things. Huh. Okay then. Okay then. Okay then. Noted. Geordie, you may have changed my life, I'm just saying. Hey dude, this is the Nasdaq future, so it's not a pair. So just a little FYI, my normal strategy would have worked, but obviously it's 2R versus 6R. You know. which is better? Obviously the 6R, but damn. Sorry, David, my bad. He's what? Apple butter, don't worry. I'm also sitting here going, I should have done this, I should have, but I wanted to really confirm how it reacts. You know, let's maybe not be forward testing with actual money yet. I'll do the back testing and confirm this, because if this can be a proper thing, I am so down. I feel like I missed something. What happened, Joe Short? Rambo done and dusted. BTC entered. 5.5. Damn! Well done, AACA PH. Yeah, Jordy. I don't know how you cope with being so cool. Maybe one day you're gonna have to, I don't know, just write a book about being amazing. So it's not often... Okay, again, this might sound like a dumb question, so I'm sorry if it is. I don't see this very often, so I'm kind of curious about it. So let me just hide all of this. This here, where it's two wicks, like the bodies aren't even touching each other. Where there's two wicks touching each other. I don't actually think I've seen this before, properly. Is this now a significant area because of the two wicks? Or not really? Again, sorry if it's a dumb question. I've just never really seen it before, and I'm genuinely curious about if this is now kind of significant and I should be taking note of these. Seems like the market didn't like the news. No, Lifecraft. What am I trading on? Okay, so I'm trading on the Nasdaq futures. I'm trading with Project X using Top 1 Futures Prop Firm. Yeah, I hope that answered some questions. Sorry, I'm also on the micro Nasdaq futures, just so the MNQ. Yeah, sorry, it's not my thing. And I'm dying. I took a short like 6 AM. Quick 2 hours. Ooh! Nice, Thomas. Nice. Did you maybe eat something? Cheers, Celestial. Enjoy. Market is something like seasons. Opportunity won't happen all the time. No, that's valid. No, that has been filled. That was just a good indication for down move. Oh, okay. Thanks, Ricky. Thank you, thank you. I wasn't sure if it maybe meant something important. Just sell then buy higher. Ah, interesting. See the first of the two. Didn't go over it yet because it'll go over that. Volume imbalance. Kelvin, now it's pumping. Mine is an area of interest because something to react like that. Go short, the market just repeats itself. Yep. Go short this like down and up. Yeah. I guess same for this. The problem is I've seen it before where there's a beautiful doji. Where would you get in on this? Because now it's also created some inverse fair value gaps here. Oh, chaos. I'm sorry. This looks straight away. Wow, this is chaotic. I'm so sorry, guys. This must not look very nice on your eyeballs right now. Whoop, straight away loss. That would have sucked. But we're going to retest this zone again. No ways. No ways. No. Maybe? No. Oh, we went into the zone again. Created some inverse fair value gaps there. I'm gonna leave this up so that I remember why I did this. Probably the inverse fair value gap. Yay! Yay, Christmas tree. Thomas, as long as it's making sense to you, I guess, right? Because it kind of is. It's starting to look a little bit like a Christmas tree. Sorry. Hey, Max, what's up? Celestial, we can't all be mad lads like you. Damn, that's insanity. If you have a miniature schnauzer sleeping under your desk, it helps you to make better trades. Super, I'm assuming you have one. I don't have a miniature schnauzer, and my dog can't fit underneath the desk. He's too big. Trade logic, what do you mean? I mean, I did go into this area again. It's gonna come back to the inverse fair value gaps and potentially start pumping up. Or is everyone still super keen for the shorts? Only true trade, I know you wanted to start going up though, right? Hey UP, how's it going? It's not bad. Butter, I'm gonna call you Butter. I did trade on gold this morning. Just my entry, which was 10.02. Ooh, nice, Rambo. My stop is 24972. Your stop. Okay. I'd gamble it goes back down. I really do, Monte, really. Currently in Mexico City, about to board a flight back home to Chicago later tonight. Ooh, nice! Hey, David. Was Mexico fun? Or I'm assuming you were there on holiday? What? Ethereum did that part? How's the sim fake account? The sim fake account? Are you talking about the eval account? Joe Short says he'll take that bet. Oh damn, Diamante, you got a competitor. I'm so down for this. Still waiting for high time frame confirmation. Makes sense. Oh, apple butter. Don't say that. Was that like the whole movement for today? Now we're gonna just go back to doing nothing. That would really suck. That would really suck. Trading top step is hilarious. Poor girl. Wonder if she'll wake up. I'm not trading top step. London TP is D800 pips max. Ooh, nice. Celebrate the Day of the Dead holidays here with some extra few days to enjoy the city. Oh, David. I'm kind of jealous. That sounds amazing. Okay, back into this fair value gap. Interesting. So it'll drop a little again, but then go back up, I'm assuming. Oh! Silencio, whoop whoop, well done. That is amazing. The sell-off, I mean, you never know what it'll do. Ah, apple butter, you know what? Especially with today, luck is just... Lady Luck's not on my side today, and that's fine. I know it shouldn't be about Lady Luck, but... So more like maybe my mind is just not on my side today, and that's fine. You know, we can't always have great days. It breaks below 24986. My sell stop is set 986. I'm gonna mark it. Where's 986? that's Diamante. Let's see. Defend against what it does, and then you can be 100% accurate. I guess. Why doesn't gold move? Why did I lazy butt? Laura, is it still chilling? It's as easy as finding unfold. Ooh, Silencio, you recorded. Nice. If only I knew what I was talking. Joe, you sound like you know what you're talking about. And the markets are not always easy peasy. Actually, no. The markets are not easy peasy lemon squeezy. They're difficult, difficult, lemon difficult. That is what the markets are. Difficult, difficult, lemon difficult. And sometimes you get to make lemonade. And other days, that lemon juice goes right into your eyeball and it's very uncomfortable. Aw, thank you. You're very, very sweet. I'll probably bet on another lower low after some mitigation or confirmation flip. Ooh, okay, Thomas. Lico, well, I'm not really using... Oh, well, I have some confluences, which are the fair value gaps, the order blocks. VWAP, which is... Where is my VWAP anyways? I think it's chilling up here somewhere. Where's my VWAP? Why is my VWAP not here? What? Oh, VWAP. Where did my VWAP go? Oh, okay. Well, I had a VWAP. It's just left the building apparently. Let me set that up again. What? Okay, moving on. Sorry. Normally I got my VWAP up as well, which it's just not again. Okay. This is one. I want numbers. Do I have numbers? I don't have numbers. Why do I not have numbers? Fine. I'll just do a little text. Nope, nope, nope. There we go. Sorry, Geordie has got me super intrigued about this fair value gap. Super intrigued about it. This one's now basically mitigated from there. Oh, David? Yeah, listen, it's hard. Here's a thing. You need to find the full starting price duration. My questions for liquidity reversals. Yep. What's your approximate? 11. Not much. You're awesome. Life's a garden. Just dig it. Hey, I like that. Backtest the minutes that add up to 3, 6, or 9. Is that a thing? What? Are you serious? What? Why? What does it mean? Stop it. Stop it. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna have a heart attack. Just behave. I don't know what that means. I shouldn't have called it out. Oh, Diamante. I mean, Did it get you? It got you, right? Or did it just miss you? It got you, didn't it, Diamante? 2. Three. I'm green, I'm leaving. Ooh, okay. Diamante, no. No, 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 no. I'm so sorry, I'm so sorry. Hey, Boom, what's up? What happened? Nice. Trading pay. Sorry, I'm trading the Nasdaq futures. Sorry, I know I'm talking very. I'm talking to myself quite a bit. I'm sorry. I'm talking to myself quite a lot. Hey, Tamid, what's up? Ah, thanks, David. I appreciate it. Diamante, are you still in this, or did it take you out? At least thought it would maybe come back for down here. So Frank 369, you'll see. That's how I also trade. Ooh, okay, Lenjo trades. So short, it won't. Stockmarket people are adrenaline junkies. Woohoo, you've got this. Oh, thanks, Daddy Stocks. Could drop a bit here. Yep, here we go. Again, guys, same trade. I'm scared to ask Diamante. You know what, Diamante, don't tell me anything until you have good or bad news. Then you just say whoop whoop or wop wop. Ah, okay. Buy up 25k today. What? After this? Okay, wait, what did I want to do? I wanted to see this. I don't know if this is a good idea though, but I'm kind of curious. So tapped in. Oh, we're gonna go back up now. Also, how big is this? It's getting a bit cold again. Tad bit chilly. Hey Zenon, what's up? I'm leaving with 230. I have a theory. Had it stayed and it would have kept going up. Diamante, you know what? Well done. Well done. And whoop whoop for ending green. You know, you gotta acknowledge the goods. Good, where's my VWAP? There it is. Okay. I don't know why it disappeared, but anyways. These candles are Roger. Wait a second. Boom. Is Boom here? Boom made a comment, but it hasn't even said hi. Rude. Hey, Chris, what's up? I'm leaving. Chris, how's it going? Okay, damn. Boom, I just said you were rude. Calm down. No, you did not win. When did you say hi? I feel like you're lying. It's way up there somewhere. You know what? I don't believe you. Naturally. Check this be a really good trade. Let's see what it does at this fair value gap again. Came back here. Didn't fall here though. This would have been a little bit risky. Maybe not. Damn, Boom's being sassy. Boom, how's the trading looking today? $10.26 long. Small scalp. Ooh, okay, okay. How small is small, Rambo? Oh, bye, Jeffrey. Enjoy. Oh, go on, Boom. Hey, Giga Rara. Hi. Made 150. Oh, Monster Mark. Whoop whoop. Well done. Stop at 10.25 low. Okay, and TP Rambo. I'm not sure if you answered that. Rambo, just 500 bucks. Just 500 bucks. Whatever. Hey, Benzie. How you doing? How's it going? Didn't quite make it there. Risk would have at least been here. Would have gone break even? I'm not sure. This still kind of looks like wants to push down. I don't know if Thomas is still here, but this is kind of what Thomas mentioned here. Damn, time was being retested. Scalping, yeah. 9.35 high. Damn, okay. Okay. Let's see how that goes, Rambo. I'm kind of curious. So can I just say, Geordie, this is awesome. Just saying. This is awesome. Giga Rara, samesies, don't worry. It started really, really good. Now it looks like it's just going back to normal Friday price action, which is just choppy and sucky. Ah, nice. Boom, I'm waiting for you to get into a trade. Yeah, I'm testing things, Boom. I'm testing things. Don't rush me. Yeah. With how the price action looks right now, I don't even know if I want to get into a trade, Boom. I've already had 2 losses today. I'm down in the red, which sucks. Yes. Market is consolidating. Yep, no more testing. Why no more testing? Blow those accounts. Wow, Boom. Wow. So short, do you think there's a massive sell coming? So short, don't get scanned. How much am I trading? Calvin. So per trade, it tends to be around 200 risk. And it's a 1 to 2 hour strat. Oh, Geordie, look at you go. I'm proud of you, Geordie. Damon, oh, thank you. I love you too. You're such a sweetie. Okay. Rambo hit? What do you mean hit? Oh, sorry, Rambo. Sorry. That's okay. Things happen. Like my day today. Sure, Diamante, if you were still in this, it would be dancing around on your emotions right now. 11 open to see what time does for volatility injection. mean, let's see. We headed there slowly but surely. I mean, at this point. With how my trading's been today, shocking. Well, yesterday and today, I've had a bad 2 days. Like I said, I'm gonna scrape out time this weekend and sit down and properly test, especially this. Like I said, I'm loving this. I'm loving this, Geordie. Tamid, I'm having a bit of a break-even week, so I don't think I think maybe I'm just in the green or I'm just in the red, but it's basically a break-even week so far. Hey, Ally there, AI, what up? And here, trading is mostly losing for most, but let's do it. There a win ratio for you or amount you feel? On average, make a average something? Sorry, that was a wild question. Give me a second. Mostly losing for most. We actually had this discussion earlier because, as Geordie said, he says it's 95. I think it's 85% of traders aren't profitable and end up losing money. But I think it tends to be the ones that, number one, in the beginning while they're still learning, put everything into it and then it's a problem. 2, it's the ones that think that this is going to be quick and easy and it's not. That's more gambling, in my opinion. 3, it's the ones that when it starts to get too tough, give up because this is difficult and this takes years and years and years. And then when you think you've got it down, it turns around and you have something new to learn again. So you're constantly learning, it's never ending, which is not a bad thing, it's just a frustrating thing. Yeah. Sorry, I don't think that's exactly what you asked, but yeah. Video short would be good. Kelvin, really? I did not. Underrated player, what up? How you doing? Wonder Wiz Kid, hey! Have I ever done day trading? Like holding a position for a day? Is that what you're asking, Joe? In M distribution manipulation time for 11. Okay, so they go. Our risk is always managed. Told you just a small scalp. Yeah, I remember. You know, as with anything, so that would have been a loss. However, if I'd got into another one there, this is another 6-hour trade. I don't know if Geordie's still here, but Geordie, when I say I'm going to go and I'm going to backtest this like a crazy person, I'm gonna do it. Oh my goodness. Diamante? Where am I from? I'm from South Africa, Kelvin. How are you doing? That was me. I want to quick and easy. Ah, there we go. Interesting. Average something, you're welcome. I have not used Trade GPT. I've heard mixed things about it, if I'm being honest. So short, I was humbled quickly. Yeah. There's nothing that humbles you quicker than the market. From what I've noticed, just when you're starting to get a little bit arrogant with it, it goes and gives you the middle finger. Tamid, am I going to enter? I don't even know what I'm looking for, Tamid. And it is stuck in a little bit of a range. I've learned from this morning. I made this mistake this morning, and it's why I had a loss. I tried to trade. Yes, I tried to trade in a range / chop, whatever you want to call it, and it got me. So it's not worth it. So there is a possibility that I might not take another trade today unless something really, really good comes up like this. No, maybe not like this. Did it pop into tapped into the inverse fair value gap? Which means it might pop up higher. too fast. Ellipses? Oh no, I wish. This is me kind of forward testing something. Also, hi Ellipses, how you doing? Ellipses, literally, it's something Geordie pointed out. It's with regards to this first fair value gap that's formed. This could have been a 6-hour trade. This weekend, you best believe I'm going to go and backtest this like crazy. Technically, this could have been 2 6-hour trades. If we pop it over across here, check, they would have hit again. That could be up 12R for the day. That's insanity. I took short and got spooked out before it hit. Oh, I'm so sorry. Were you at least in the green? You might could take the same exact. I just took but inverse. What do you mean? What do you mean? You have PPR since you have 2 fair value gaps, bullish and bearish stacked at higher low. Oh, okay. Friday, you made a loss. Stop trading. Don't risk any more mental capital. Hey, girl, you know what? I called down. Yep, you did. You did. And I was even thinking of you. And I did look at this. Check, it wouldn't have got me though. It would have missed me by a tick. I think that would have pissed me off more than anything. App making is mega fun. Are you making apps? Nice. Like I said, if only it... Yeah. %. 100% it's always like that, just because you could trade the range here. Oh, I hear what you're saying. Interesting, Diamante. I'm just like, I think this is going to be a loss. Trade where my stop loss was and just inverse it. Interesting, I could do that. Official DJ frequency. Yay, I took 2 this morning. They were both losses. Just saying. Sad. Thomas, it's about to take the low. But then it's going to go back up. Ooh, it's about to hit there on ES. Hey Benjamin, what's up? Hello. Yeah, you know I can't complain. Less than 1 point is more. Oh, yep. Hey Raj, what's up? How's it going? Stock up, remember, stock up, and then boom. Hey Ricky, how's it going? How was the rest of the trading session for you? Still hasn't taken it. Hasn't hit the order block. Yeah, it's tapped into the inverse fair value gap on ES though. 1042 green. Ooh! Whoop whoop, Raj! Amazing! Well done! If it gets low enough, people are gonna buy it. Yep. Boom, you think this might drop? There we go. Took out that liquidity. Again, it's just making these extreme freaking moves today. About to tap into the order block on ES. Maybe a quick retest back up. Damn you! Bang, that's TP hit. Yeah. Thomas, nice. Nice, nice, nice. Like I said, it wouldn't have even tagged me in with where I was. Oh well. Why are there more people on the other stream than this one? Large on my screen, I can zoom in if I want. I think a lot of people are maybe on their phones. I'm not actually sure. Don't forget to please like this stream, like, subscribe. Let's grow this amazing community. If you're not cool, I don't know, don't be here. That sounds mean. I'm joking. Everyone's welcome. But yeah, if you want to show a little bit more love and support, if you want to use my affiliate code, it's TeachMaya, and it's with all the prop firms in my description below. Yeah. Come on, I saw this a mile away. 9k on 3 accounts is crazy. 27k copy trading is powerful. Yeah, that's insanity. Like I said, one day when I'm big, I'll be as cool as you are, but right now I'm definitely not as cool as you, and it shows. Owning a coffee shop can get you more money than trading. Travel to the universe? I guess it depends on what type of trader you are. What a trash week. Only true trader? Yeah. For me and you both. And that's okay, right? They can't all be amazing. Showed, and when it did, either London or I missed it. No, only true trader. I'm so sorry. Yeah, listen, London's been pretty good recently. I say that. London hasn't been trading. You know what? You know what? I'm just gonna be quiet, because every time I'm nice to a certain time in the market, it then starts to be mean to me, so... Oh, thanks, Rosh. Not cool, it's pressure. I did well yesterday as well, but overtraded and took a loss. I hear you, Ricky. I hear you. I hear what you're saying. But... how... like, out of curiosity, Ricky, what's your win rate? If you don't mind saying. You don't have to, obviously. Tell me. Wi-Fi. Sorry. I might be a little bit laggy. My bad. Thanks, David. I feel like I'm close at times, but then blow a good trade like this. Frustrating. Yeah, apple butter. Me and you need to sit down and mentally just sort ourselves out. It's hard. It's really hard. I'm gonna try and make the GPS app to make it light. Oh, okay. What does she do? Does she literally just stream her coffee shop? That's interesting. Travel to the universe? What? 80 to 89%. Ricky, that's really good. That's amazing. And I'm assuming this is your livelihood, right? Please correct me if I'm wrong. Let's go. Hey Max, what's up? That's not that. Read order flow, then you can understand short-term moves. John, like I said, I'm gonna properly sit. Wait a minute, yeah. Like a boss. This is ridiculous. What I am going to do is I'm going to go and backtest the heck out of this. Yo, Joe. Where am I from? I'm from South Africa. Diamante, yo, you and Apple Butter, you guys wanting to kick yourselves a little bit. I'm so sorry. I get it. That wouldn't have got me in. The other one would have been lost, so that sucks. That potentially feels risky. Is it? I mean, now becoming a bit of a slower grind down. And it's taken liquidity, external liquidity as well. Nah, it's not worth it. This is not an A+ setup. Sorry, I did say after this morning where mentally I was not good because the 2 trades that I took that were both losses, one, like I said, I traded in the chop, which is bad. Don't trade in the chop. And 2, the second one was kind of a FOMO trade, which is even worse. So I did say there's a very good possibility that I'm going to be extra strict during this New York session. Only A+ setups allowed here today. Well, this afternoon. Let's not say today because I've already messed it. Yeah, David, probably not. It's not a goodie. Sorry guys, I know nothing uber duper exciting today. Sorry. But let's see, yes, decided to trade full-time around 4 months ago. It's not worth trying to trade and then do other stuff when trading is paying for bills and then some. Ricky, that's valid. And has it been... How do I put this? Has it been freeing? I think that tends to be the question. You know, it tends to be a lot of people's reasoning for starting to trade. So has it been freeing to be doing this full time? Oh, I love from Assam. Hi. Well done. 600 pips is amazing. Trading can be profitable as long as we don't have bias in what we want to have. And Raj, that was also what I did this morning. I had a bias and I was like, nah, it's gonna be this. Which was, I had a short bias. So I entered a short. And when it was slowly trending upwards, I was actually really dumb. I don't know why, you know, it's fine. You still have uptrend that 100% guaranteed. Damn, John. That's amazing. What, tell you a gold trade? What, or how is gold trading? I don't actually know. How's gold looking? This morning it was slowly climbing up and I think there was a bit of a drop. Can this hit my TP? Where's your TP at, Boom? Okay. All I'm gonna say is buy when it's low. A bias. Oh, if you think it's gonna go up or down. Yeah, that's basically it. Yes, because I'm not working trading as many hours that I would work, also have no worry about. Yeah, I guess you don't have to answer to anyone except for yourself. Yeah, there's a lot. There's a lot of benefits to it. Obviously a lot of stress. You're having a bad month and that sucks, but I'm assuming you put like some rainy day cash away and things. I'm assuming. Obviously I don't know how everyone deals with their financials. Okay, Ricky, how about this? Sorry, I'm full of questions today. I asked Boom this earlier. So, because you're making a decent amount now, I'm assuming, right? Let's say you start to make double or triple or whatever the case may be. Is there ever an amount where you would stop? Like, do you have a target? And then you're like, cool, I can now retire. I don't have to trade ever again. Or do you think you're just going to continue? Raj, 100%. I do agree with that. I think you can have an idea, like get your bias. Have an idea, but stick with trend, right? Trend is friend. David, why are you awake? Currently I'm trading a lot to make as much as I can from prop room. That's valid, Ricky. Okay. Again, Mohammed, I'm not on gold. Prove with the smallest money. Silencio, you're thinking longs? Again? I don't know. Again, trend is friend. Maybe it's going to have a bit of a bigger retest now that's taken out this external liquidity. Maybe it might want to pop up a little bit higher. Maybe it want to tap into VWAP. Or VWAP. Sorry, before Boom yells at me. XM, my trading experience. Not much. I've only been trading since April, so I'm still learning. Yeah, I'm not here pretending to be a guru. Please, please, guys. I'm not a guru. Please don't. So don't listen to me. Half of the time, do the opposite of what I say and you'll be good. Lifecraft, that's not good. Are you good? John, no, this is my passion, so you'll just continue, John? Retire and do what? I think it's important to make X amount and then not risk all of your own capital. Damn, Zubair, why are you yelling? Currently I haven't made enough. Working hard to clear expenses and get certain projects out the way. Okay, Reiki, okay. But, you know, surely there could be a point where you've made enough that maybe your interest is, I don't know, obviously that's a lot of money, but if you retire and then you just want to, I guess traveling costs a lot of money. Never mind. Never mind. Things on my mind as well. I mean, that's valid, David. That's valid. I get it. You want to open a hedge fund one day? Ooh, interesting. Okay. No, I'm not doing gold. I'm on the Nasdaq futures, Mohammed. SMT. Look at NQ, ES, and Dow Mini IM. Open your market based on liquidity. Lose nothing. Hey, Sid's back. What up, Sid? How's it going? That's okay, the pitch had stress. No, I took 2 trades this morning. Unfortunately, it was not good. But it's like I said, it was my fault. I can't even say it was an amazing trade and I was super confident in it and the market just didn't work out. It was just bad trades from my part. And then I was looking at, well, no, I wasn't looking, I was kind of looking at this, the candles are just a tad bit large for me today. And I was forward testing this little fair value gap here. This could have been a 6R trade twice times. I could be up 12R. That feels like it's pushing it, but. Hey, Bob, what's up? Surely with trading you can spend. No, that's valid, Ricky. That is valid. I mean, it's not like you're spending 8 hours a day. Well, okay, maybe some people are, but you know, it's not like you're spending 8 hours a day. In between, you can still do a bunch of things. So that's true. That's true. Ricky, you want to know what Boom said? He said probably retire around 40. Yeah, Joe. Ming, how often am I trading? Every day, twice a day, both London and New York session for around 2 hours each. So 4 hours of trading every single day. Yeah, and like I said, maybe on Sunday I'll hop on, maybe I'll hop on to the Discord as well and I'll just do some back testing. Let's see what happens. Not bad trades. They are learning curves. Okay. David, look at you learning. Damn. Okay. You're right. Not losses, just lessons. Damn, look at you being a smart ass. Yeah, that's it. John? Oh, Oliver. Hi, Oliver. How you doing? You love trading? How long have you been trading for, Oliver? I must be old compared to everyone. Retire at 40 is young. Ricky? Is it rude to ask how old you are? I don't know if it's rude. I feel like it's rude. If you are keen to share with the group. You don't have to, obviously, but yeah. John, what do you want? One, I'm gonna copy this. Add it to my notes. I'm gonna have a look at this. I'm gonna look at the 369. I'm gonna have a look at this first fair value gap, or what should we call it? Opening fair value. No, it's not the opening one. The first presented fair value gap. Nailed it. And I'll have a look at that as well. 40 more points. How was that a playmouth? Honestly. I focus on the strength of the market, up or down. Yep. Extra focus on staying in the green. If liquidity is low, I'm extra cautious. Thomas is so young. It makes me sick. So young and so, well, just doing so well. No, I'm joking. You, Thomas, it's well deserved. You put a lot of work into it. So that's definitely what I got out of that Discord chat last night, that you have been putting the work into it. So it's definitely well deserved. I did not, Samuel. I did not. Because I was forward testing it a little bit. I was maybe going to pop into this trade, but I wasn't trusting it. I should have trusted it. Oh well. Green on the day, but it was an ugly. Ooh, why was it an ugly green, Bob? What happened? Boom's call. I have a year to retire. There we go. Oh, there we go. Thanks, Ricky. I got you. Practicing for 2 years. Oh, nice, Oliver. And how's it going? Successful? Not successful? Hey, Sid, what's up? Oh, okay. Sid's just sending his message again. Started at 16, 17. Yep. Last 8 to 10k over 3 years, and we are 3-year profitable. Stopped working a job. Oh, okay, Thomas. Maybe this is then a question for you as well. Seeing as you are now younger, would you ever, once you've earned enough, potentially then just stop trading and retire, and you could just live off of what you've made, or would you always just continue trading? Got busy at work. I'm on my phone. I definitely prefer the larger stream over that stream, but each to their own. Yeah, Southpaw, 100%. The Robinhood app is good for beginners. What is that? I don't even know what that is. Oh, cheers, Ricky. Enjoy. But thank you for all the information, by the way. I really appreciate it. Sorry for bombarding you with some questions. Like I said, I'm actually just genuinely curious about you guys and your trading experience. And it's so nice to have such a lovely community. So thank you. How much capital do I use per trade? Around $200 risk, $200 risk. Around. Sometimes I put the wrong amount of cons in, but yeah. Hey, Captain Silver. What up? How's it going? My goal is to be a billionaire. I mean, that's a hectic goal. Retirement is a myth, is it? No, sorry, this is the Nasdaq futures. Okay, so taking out some liquidity there. So this wouldn't have even hit. Nope, that would have missed me by a few ticks again. Now it's taken some liquidity and we look like we want to jump back up. Unfortunately, that would be the better range, but being the key word here, this is massive. Yeah, that's a little bit too massive for me. Even this is large. Damn, these candles are deceivingly huge today. Stacking, building different portfolios, especially a stream of high yield CD accounts, free money from interest, and maybe try to invest in businesses. Oh, there we go. That's cool. What's ICT SMC concept? So ICT is inner circle trading, and SMC is smart money concepts. Are you asking which ones I use? So I use the fair value gaps, the order blocks, the well, obviously the inverse fair value gaps is part of the deal. I use my GAN box, and I use my VWAP. I'm gonna just keep saying VWAP to annoy Boom Banana because it's fun. You're done. Up 800. Well, whoop whoop. Well done, John. Sure. A link tree? What's that? What's hype? Fungus Power 2? What's up? 7 years. Wow. And then split it, grow it larger. Ooh, daddy stock. That's nice. Big money closing positions. Yeah. Okay, so it's gonna go up now, just not fast. So basically this was the whole move. I mean, it's now 11. I know things tend to calm down around now anyways. Taking this, why would it not want to get this? There's even more liquidity right there. $750. $750? Do you mind to why that level? Is there something there? Or does it just look good for you? Well, Boom Banana says so when we were on the live last week, he was like, you said weird, it's supposed to be VWAP, not VWAP. Apparently it's VWAP. WAP. WAP. Now I just sound like a frog. Maybe I need sleep. Wow. Ooh. Oh, okay, thanks. Skeletor. Hi, how are you? I've missed you. I've missed your jokes. How's it been going, Skeletor? Bob. Yep, that's it. 10:20 a.m. is first written down. Yep. Confirming shift direction. Yep. In that case, the lineup with how manipulated the 4-hour opening. Okay, one hollow. It will, but when? I ask what? Oh, sorry. Jess, it's futures. Tis futures. Double tap there. Let's have a look here. If this is a win, I'm gonna be grumpy. I wouldn't have taken it though. This is just terrible, but I will be grumpy. Stop doing that. Southpaw, I need some water. You can ask them. I even specifically went and got water, and I was thinking of you. I got water and I even got some chocolate. I had one little slab. No, one little cube, block. Whatever you want to call it. I had one little bit of it, and then I realized I can't talk when there's chocolate in my mouth, so that died down very quickly. Of course, Jess. You're welcome. And then you can look at how it reacts to it, either confirming a higher time frame, continuation, or reverse. Which we'll see. Sorry, Morn. I'm literally copy pasting everything you're saying. There we go. So I can go double check it. I don't know. I just slept. I might have missed all yesterday. I lost all sense of time. Wow. Damn, Skeletor, that just got real deep real quick. You must be joking. You must be joking. What? Wait, time out. Sorry, this, it only clocked in my head right now. Diamante, are you in a trade right now? We had a lot of money option trading. Nice. Said we'll still be in range. Wow. Yes, I'll see. See, I do listen to what you say. Hi, are you gonna come say hi to people today? Come say hi. Come say hi. Come say. Oh, so close, so close. He's not gonna let me. Look. Here's your doggy. Say hi. Hi, guys. He's just like, Mom, what are you doing? I thought you were done for the day. Really recommend you say 3 layouts. First is your decision, 4 hour weekly training. For extreme ranges, 5 to 4 hour. Yeah. Isn't there just like a lot of information then on your chart, Morn Hollow? Okay, Southpaw, I'm very willing to test this and find out. You son of a gun. That sucks. That would have been a win. And it took out so much liquidity. I was really convinced that if it did go back up, I needed a decent range. It starts to pull up before it takes New York. I might have a look at the same range again. Is this just FOMO? This feels like it might just be FOMO. Is this FOMO? Is this silly? This might be silly. Except there is some here. I guess, Diamante, that's true. Huh, okay, Mon, I'll go check. It's chopping in a demand zone at the moment. Okay. So it's not worth it, Bob. It could do something dumb. Yeah, I literally need to wait. I'm just gonna sit on my hands for a second because part of me really wanted to take that, and I'm like, nope, don't do it. So I'm physically just gonna sit on my hands for a minute. Don't mind me. Oh, Southpaw, listen. He nearly has human-like facial expressions. It's crazy, and everyone is obsessed with his eyes. You can tell exactly what he's thinking, and 90% of the time he's judging me. I love him to bits. I'm going to show her how to do option trading. About a lot more than just liquidity. It takes more money, something more. It just liquidated a weekly low, yeah. Mark Sauce, no, that's valid. Said, anyone in my friend circle into trading? Yeah. How do I think I got into it? Sugar, honey, iced tea. If I had done this, let's see. No, that wouldn't have been there. That would have been, I don't even know where this would have been. Would have been there. Yeah, so that wouldn't have got me in, so that's fine. 27327. Ooh. Ooh. Okay, Bob. Still going to 24047. Oh, Sid, that's funny. Friend is friend. Friend is friend. But it's taking out some hectic stuff. We'll be in a little. Ooh. Potential failure. Bye-bye. Price due to pullbacks. Probably will have some in contracts and buy contracts, so capitalize. Push price fall for counter losses on nonsense. Hey, what he does. We're trading the Nasdaq futures. Wow. Make lower low candle. Okay, make coffee and chill. Yeah. Apple butter. Apple butter? Same wavelength, because my brain's going, oh, it just took out liquidity. It might do a bigger retest. And with how my luck has been recently, when I enter in on a trade, literally this morning, I must make a short of it. The market wasn't really moving and it was slowly going down. I thought, oh, it's going to do a proper down retest back up. The second I placed my trade, it just went floop. I was like, excuse me? The second I placed, it wasn't moving until I placed my trade. There's someone watching me. The stock markets are watching me and they are out to get me today. I'm extra like, the nasty little boogers. Sid, I guess? One of the first things I did wrong was get scared, yep. Apple butter. It's hard, man. I don't know why I said it like that. So did I enter at the open of the hour? No, I didn't. Yeah, I'll sit, I guess, if you want to. Ah. Let's see. Some here, got some here. I mean, it's still just going down, down, down. Demonte, I'm not marking out anything because sometimes when I do that, it feels like it's bad luck. So I'm just gonna leave it. I know where your TP is. Sure, that's it. Get a million views. On average, what do I gamble on a trade? Gamble is the wrong word there, my guy. What do I risk on a trade is better. Around $200. Potentially to reach a maximum expansion. That's insane. This has been insane today. We'll tap into that fair value gap and down. Like I said, these are also just huge. Part of me was just thinking, I was like, I could place one for like 4 cons here. And now it starts to push up. Oh, 100% apple butter. 100%. That's how it always works. Fine, BCA. Damn, Morn, well done. That's amazing. 4 hour predicted all of this. Exploit symmetry. Contract declared. Probability is my opinion. It's institutions, contracts. They're selling and then pump for the pullbacks. 750 macro just ended. No thanks. Big fly. So if I risk 200, I gain 400. So it's a 1 to 2 hour. Thomas, I mean, if I had gotten into a trade, yeah, but can you imagine? Because let's say for funsies that I got in on this trade, which means I would have been out again for funsies. Let's pretend I was aiming for a 6-hour trade here, and then just keep following. I would still be in this, which is ridiculous. Hey Zeus, I haven't taken anything. The first attempt to reverse will fail. I wanted to enter here, but I feel like FOMO is kicking in. I mean, it's hitting some resistance there. If this actually goes down, I might be ending the stream right there. Just calling it, saying, you know what? Done. Woo, okay. Soon I'll see these trades. I hope so, Mon. Yeah, I will. I just need to sit down and do it. Right, do the work. Hit that level. Wow. Best time is when it opens and right before it closes. Ooh, interesting. Daytrading, first order business. Stop worrying about what other people's. Yeah. It looks like I might be trying to make a U-turn. Wait and see now. Yeah, southpaw. But again, ironically, I was potentially looking at this trade. Like I said, I kind of wanted to enter. Rarig, wat die moeder. Hoekom sal jy hierdie doen like vandag? Anyways, don't mind me. That when I get grumpy, Afrikaans comes out. I'm not even Afrikaans, but it comes out. Do futures businesses die often? No, I don't think so. Since when is Andrew Tate? Hey, the man himself. No? What? Sid, no, not at all. Society does not see trading as respectable, but like I can tell you for a fact because I was not a trader beginning of the year. Ooh, nice. As long as you're having fun, the man himself. I like your setup. 200 is cool. You aim to double up. I mean, ooh, using a different. Most I've made on a trade with this strategy is around 400. Apple butter, what up? You see potential retracement reversal occurring here? Yeah. want to buy before it closes because you have to wait till Monday to see results. Ooh, see, that's why I do not hold trades. I'm a bit nervous of those. Okay. Market, have you decided what you want to do? Not yet. No. What's really bad? Like a swear word? Because I'm not gonna do that because that's bad. So short, that's the gamble. Yeah. That's rough. Damn. If you're kicking into distribution for this 4-hour candle. What's a good AI trading platform? Sorry, I don't use AI. I have no idea. Anyone? Whoop, that would have quicked me out. So that would have been another loss. Rough. Just rough. Virgin revert. Ooh, Silencio, cool. I like that. Okay. Okay. I might actually call it there today, guys. I can feel the FOMO and the kicking in. It just was not my day mentally during the London session. And I can feel problems will come again if I try and do this. Like I said, I will be back testing, especially this. I will be back testing this weekend. So who knows, Monday, some cool stuff might go down. You must be joking. Let's just watch this for a second. If this goes all the way down. Yeah, 100% apple butter. Yes. Wardy does. I'm on the 1 minute. If you can't see that, Mon, that's exactly. Oh, thank you, Slencho. Joe, you think this is another sell-off? Big Fly, this is the Nasdaq futures. Thank you, Zeus. I'm on it. You're taking money down. Oh, damn. Oh, damn. Oh, Southpaw, don't worry. I've done that before. I'm so sorry. That's rough. That's rough. The futures can be a bit daunting. Okay, I'm calling it before I get... I'm gonna call it. Joe Short, then you should maybe have a look at doing this again. Why not? Apple butter, mad love, thank you. Have I got some big muscles? Horse riding. Oh, cool. That's okay, Wardy does. But I'm gonna call it there today, guys. Unfortunately, like I said, a bit of a... I'll see what happens later. A bit of a break-even week, which is fine, right? It's fine. Break-even's better than, like, just a pure red week. Touch... No, I nearly said something dumb. I'm gonna leave it. Yeah, Joe, I mean, why not, right? Why not? Even if you just start with a prop just to get you going. Okay. I'm gonna call it there, guys. Have an amazing weekend. I hope it's an awesome rest of your Friday. Again, don't forget to please like the stream. Let's grow this amazing community of people who love the same thing that we all do, right? And if you would love to or like to show some support and use my code, my affiliate code, it's Teachmaya, and I'm with all the prop firms in my description. They're really cool and there's some awesome discounts going on. I will be hopefully making some videos on those as well so you can see. I know they're little and not well known, but unfortunately it's what we got in South Africa. South Africa is a little bit limited. So if you are South African and looking for a prop, all of the ones in my description are SA friendly, which is awesome. Okay, I was right about my TP. Nice, Sean. Life, I bet I could still, I mean, probably, I'm very weak. I may look like I have muscles, but I'm very weak. But I love you guys madly. Thank you again for all the support and all the love. Thank you, thank you. You guys are amazing. Have an amazing weekend. And I will see you then Monday. Same time, same place. Love you. Bye.